Yeah, for me, explorer.land really made my business grow because we were able to be transparent about our projects, and companies really find that very interesting to see that what we talk about is really happening. So that is really, for transparency reasons, for us a very important platform. Besides that, explorer.land is really helping us with all kinds of other issues. Like now we are having uh, drone videos made through a partner of explorer.land. We have now coming up a relational database system where we can input all our data now that we are growing, and we can check for mistakes. So that all comes through the people in explorer.land and the partners that they have. So we're really happy with them. So whatever we need, we can get it through explorer.land.